Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can convert PDF files to Excel files to open, for example, through Microsoft Excel. So let us get started. It is mind-blowingly simple and you can do that with just a few clicks. So let's say you've been working on a PDF document like that, an annual budget tracker for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do next, guys, is open Microsoft Word on your computer and click on open here on the left sidebar, and next locate the PDF file you saved on your computer. There you go, open it with Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word will send you a notification like that, so click on OK to confirm, and after that your PDF file will be added to your Word document. So what you want to do next, guys, is simply mark the content of your PDF document just like that. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, head over to Microsoft Excel, open a new sheet or a new blank sheet, and simply copy and paste your content from your Word document or from your PDF document, just like that. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.